These cars don't need an oil change. Some of these have been driven into the ground and still going strong. What do all these cars have in common? They've all been driven past the grave and are still alive and kicking. Got it, you W15 cars that were built to last forever. 1. Toyota Land Cruiser, legendary for reliability and off-road durability. Many older models are still running strong past 400,000 miles. Simple, over-engineered engines that can handle extreme conditions. 2. Toyota Hilux, known as indestructible, popular worldwide for its ruggedness, can survive abuse in war zones, deserts, and farms. Minimal electronics, strong frame, diesel variants last forever. 3. Honda Accord, a staple family car with a reputation for hitting 300,000 miles. Engines are smooth, transmissions durable, and parts are easy to replace. 4. Toyota Camry, often called the car that never dies. Reliable engine, smooth ride, low maintenance costs. Perfect example of a long-lasting daily driver. 5. Lexus LS 400 and early LS models, Toyota's luxury division flagship, built in the 1990s like a tank. Quiet, refined, and extremely reliable. Many are still on the road with over 500,000 miles. 6. Honda Civic, affordable, but built to outlast trends. Engines are simple yet strong, with reports of Civics going well beyond 300,000 miles. 7. Volvo 240, iconic boxy Volvo of the 80s and 90s, built like a brick, safe, and reliable. Known for durability and longevity, many still running today. 8. Toyota 4Runner, a rugged SUV with Toyota's legendary engineering, perfect for both city and tough terrains. Owners routinely report crossing 300 to 400,000 miles. 9. Ford Crown Victoria, a police interceptor favored among taxi drivers and police fleets. Huge V8, simple mechanics, rear-wheel drive, very durable. Known to rack up for 100,000 miles. 10. Mercedes-Benz W123 E-Class, 1970s-1980s, considered one of the most reliable Mercedes ever made. Diesel versions regularly hit 500,000 miles or more. Overbuilt for longevity, not just luxury. 11. Subaru Outback, famous for all-wheel drive reliability and outdoor adventure durability. With proper maintenance, many Outbacks last well over 300,000 miles. 12. Toyota Prius Hybrid Pioneer, surprisingly durable. Despite its technology, taxis worldwide prove it can exceed 400,000 miles on original batteries. 13. Chevrolet Suburban, America's longest-running nameplate. Rugged V8 engines and solid frames built for family hauling across generations. Many fleet vehicles last decades. 14. Jeep Cherokee XJ 1984 to 2001, known for its bulletproof 4.0-liter inline-six engine. Simple design, capable off-road, and long-lasting drivetrain. 15. Toyota Corolla, the world's best-selling car for a reason. Simple, efficient, and ultra-reliable. Known to last to 50,000 300,000 plus miles with ease. These cars earned a reputation not because they're flashy, but because they can handle decades of use with minimal drama. Now share your thoughts. Which car from this list has stood the test of time in your experience, or which one would you pick for ultimate durability? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more automotive adventures. Stay tuned for more car content, and have a great day.